Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really exciting for all the truck lovers out there. We're diving into the all-new 2026 Chevrolet vintage truck, a model that beautifully blends old-school charm with modern technology. If you're someone who appreciates classic design, but also wants all the comfort and performance of today's trucks, then stick around, because this one's going to blow your mind. Let's start with the design, because that's where the 2026 Chevrolet vintage truck really makes a statement. The moment you lay eyes on it, you're transported back to the golden era of pickup trucks. It's got that boxy silhouette, bold front grille, and round headlights that immediately remind you of the 1950s and 60s Chevrolet pickups. The designers have done an incredible job of paying tribute to the classic models while giving it a fresh, modern twist. You'll notice subtle chrome accents, clean lines, and a slightly lowered stance that give it that aggressive but timeless look. And those steel wheels with Chevrolet center caps, absolutely gorgeous. They complete the vintage vibe perfectly. Now don't let the classic looks fool you. Under the hood, this truck is all about modern performance. Chevrolet offers two powertrain options for this model. The first is a 5.3-liter V8 engine that produces around 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission that gives you smooth shifts and plenty of pulling power. The second option is an electric powertrain, which is honestly a brilliant move by Chevrolet. This all-electric version delivers instant torque and over 400 horsepower, with a range of approximately 300 miles on a full charge. So whether you prefer the rumble of a V8 or the clean, quiet power of an electric motor, the 2026 vintage truck has you covered. The interior is where the magic really happens. When you step inside, you're greeted by a cabin that's a perfect mix of retro style and modern features. The dashboard has that classic horizontal layout with simple gauges, but you'll also find a large touchscreen infotainment system seamlessly integrated into the design. There's wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even built-in navigation. The seats are wrapped in premium leather with contrast stitching, and there's plenty of space both up front and in the rear for passengers. Chevrolet has even included small design details like vintage-inspired knobs and badging that make the cabin feel special and unique. Driving the 2026 Chevrolet vintage truck is an experience in itself. The V8 gives you that familiar growl when you hit the gas, and it's more than capable of handling highway speeds, towing, and hauling. The electric version, on the other hand, offers instant acceleration and a really smooth, quiet ride. Both versions come with modern suspension systems that make sure the truck feels planted and confident, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. And thanks to advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, you're getting the safety and convenience of a modern vehicle in a classic package. One of the best things about the 2026 vintage truck is how customizable it is. Chevrolet knows that owners of classic-inspired vehicles love to make them their own, so they're offering a ton of options and accessories. You can choose from different paint colors that pay homage to classic Chevy trucks, optional two-tone paint schemes, and even retro decal packages. There are also various bed options, including a wood-paneled bed that looks straight out of the 1960s. And if you're into off-roading, there's an available package with skid plates, all-terrain tires, and a lifted suspension that adds even more capability. In terms of pricing, the 2026 Chevrolet vintage truck is expected to start at around $45,000 for the base V8 model, with the electric version coming in a bit higher. Fully loaded with options, you're looking at something in the $60,000 to $70,000 range. It's not the cheapest truck out there, but considering what you're getting in terms of style, performance, and features, it's definitely worth a look. So, to sum it all up, the 2026 Chevrolet vintage truck is a perfect example of how to honor the past while embracing the future. It's got the looks, the power, and the technology to appeal to both classic truck enthusiasts and modern drivers. Whether you're looking for a head-turning daily driver, a weekend cruiser, or a capable workhorse, this truck checks all the boxes. Let me know in the comments what you think of the new vintage truck. Would you go for the V8 or the electric version? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.